On this Wednesday, all indices are down. Let's start with the Dow. It's down 79 points right now to sit at 25,969. NASDAQ Composite down 43 points to sit at 7779. S&P 500 down 10 points at 2875. Build-A-Bear's Pay Your Age promotion returns with a few new rules. This year, only a limited number of tickets will be available for the Pay Your Age event. As you might remember, last year's event was only for one day and created long lines as well as store closings due to heavy turnout. Participants must be part of the Build-A-Bear Rewards program and enter by June 16th for a chance to get one of 200,000 tickets. If you are one of the lucky winners, you will get a notification via email. The tickets will be redeemable for a new furry friend during select days between June 24th and June 28th. Parents can use one ticket for up to 2 children present at the event. Also, 10 children will also get a chance to win a birthday party experience valued at $250. Nearly a quarter of adults say they never learned basic money lessons from their parents while growing up. This is according to a new survey by creditcards.com. The vast majority of individuals who did get lessons about money say that they were taught about savings first and foremost. The report finds sons were more likely to learn about investing from their parents, while daughters were more likely to learn about giving. Analysts say the money lessons you teach your children today will follow them the rest of their lives. The number of Americans dying from alcohol, drugs, and suicide has reached an all-time high. The Commonwealth Fund has released its yearly scorecard on health performance in each state. It shows drug overdose deaths more than doubled over the past decade, along with increases in suicide and alcohol-related deaths. And while this is considered a national crisis, states are affected differently. For instance, New England and the Mid-Atlantic have been hit hard by the opioid epidemic. Other states have seen more deaths from suicide and alcohol. And parents' attitudes about underage drinking just might affect their children's alcohol usage. A new Cambridge University study shows adolescents whose parents were more lenient about drinking were more likely to start drinking than their peers. They also drank and got drunk more often. Experts say if parents do not want their children to drink, they need to be clear about the message that they give. Chris?
The South African